So dear students, today we are going to do SAT and the topic which we are discussing is linear equations involving two variables. Let us start. So question number 1, 7n plus 3 equals to 2n minus 12. What is the value of minus n plus 3? So let us find the value of n. When 2 is subtracted from both sides, 2n is subtracted from both sides, we get 5n equals to minus 12, and subtracting 3 from both sides, so we get 5n equals to minus 15, means n is equal to minus 3. So minus n will be 3 and 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Here we need to find 1 by 7 of h. So first of all find h and then simply divide it by 7. So here we have 7h minus 35 minus 3h equals to 3 over 2h. So this is 4h minus 35 is equals to 3 by 2h, multiplying by 2, 8h minus 70 equals 3h, subtracting 3h from both sides, and then dividing by 5, I get h equal to 14. So now I need to find 1 by 7 of 14, that is 2, so the answer is 2. In the equation above, if s equals to 2, what's the value of r? Just put s equal to 2, we get r by 3 plus 2 by 11 equals to 39 by 33. Now making the LCM equal for all of them, denominator can be made equal by multiplying by 11, and here we can multiply by 3, 39 over 33. It simply means 11r plus 6 equal to 39, means 11r is equal to 33, means r equals to 3, so the answer is 3. Next is, let me rub this one. Next is 9 minus 2k by 3 equals to k minus 2. We need to find k multiplying by 3 on both sides. Then adding 2k on both sides and adding 6 on both sides. So 15 over 5 equals to k. It implies k equals to 3. A $48 shirt costs 22 more than one half of the cost of pair of pant. $40 costs 22 more than one half of the cost of pant. Let it be x. How much does the pair of pant cost? So this is 26 equals to half x. I've just subtracted 22 from both sides and then multiplying by 2, I get 52 equal to x. It means that the cost of pair of pant is $52. Twice number n increased by 11 is the same as 6 times the number decreased by 9. It implies 11 plus 9 is equal to 6n minus 2n, means 20 is equal to 4n, implies n is equal to 5. One half of a number increased by 3 is 5 less than 2/3 of the number. One half of a number increased by 3 is 5 less than 2/3 of the same number. It means 1 by 2 of n minus 2 by 3 of n equals to negative 3 minus 5. So this is 3n minus 4n over 6 is equal to minus 8. Minus n over 6 is equal to minus 8, means n equals to 48. Last question. 4 times the greatest of the 3 consecutive odd integers. Let the 3 consecutive odd integers be n minus 1, n plus 1, and say n plus 3. Or you can take n, or you can simply take n, n plus 2, n plus 4. Now the 4 times the greatest of the 3 consecutive odd integers exceeds 3 times the least by 31. What's the greatest of the consecutive odd integers? We need to find this. So we have 4n plus 16, 3n plus 31. It implies n equals to 15. Therefore, n plus 4 is 15 plus 4, 19. So the answer is 19. So this is Thank you so much for watching this class. Do like it, share it and subscribe it. Bye bye.